Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to reorder products in WooCommerce category. If you're managing an online store, being able to control the order in which your products appear can make a huge difference in how customers navigate your shop and what they see first. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. First, open a browser and head to WordPress.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce store so you can access all the necessary tools for managing your products. This is your starting point for making any changes to how your store looks and functions. After logging in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. Now, to reorder products in WooCommerce, click on Products on the left navigation menu. This will bring up an expanded set of options specifically related to your product management. From the options that appear, click on All Products. This takes you to a comprehensive view where you can see every product currently listed in your store, making it the perfect place to start organizing them. Once you're on the products page, look for the sorting link and click on it to activate the sorting feature. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice that you can now rearrange and reorder your products by simply dragging them within the products field. This drag and drop functionality makes it incredibly easy to prioritize certain items, group related products together, or simply create a more visually appealing flow for your customers as they browse through your categories. Take your time here and arrange the products in the order that makes the most sense for your business strategy. Once the reordering has been done and you're satisfied with how everything looks, simply click on Apply. This finalizes your changes and ensures that the new product order is saved and reflected on your live site. Your customers will now see products in the exact sequence you've chosen, which can help highlight bestsellers, new arrivals, or featured items right at the top. And there you have it. You've successfully reordered your products in WooCommerce, giving you full control over how your store presents itself to visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.